The FinTech program is unique because it speaks directly to a changing industry that is currently being challenged and even disrupted by technological change. What we are doing is we're combining hard foundational skills in technology, in coding, with the excellence that Frankfurt School has developed in our financial education. The Blockchain Center is involved through a variety of ways. We are a connector to the industry where we have a very large network of really amazing contacts that we can leverage to bring in industry experts, but also to help our students find a job or, hopefully eventually change the industry. The program combines rigorous scholarly research with practical hands-on experience. We want to teach both the solid base on which you can build and innovate, as well as the practical tools that you need to actually do so. With the program, we're targeting a broad range of candidates. We want to have people both with a background in finance, obviously, but also people with a background in engineering, computer science, the hard sciences.
We are collaborating with guest lecturers, and also you can write your master thesis with a certain topic that touches the field of blockchain, Web3, AI, platforms, etc. I would say there are a lot of opportunities that FinTech students should use. For example, the Blockchain Center hosts the Crypto Asset Conference once a year, which is a perfect networking event if you're interested in that industry. And besides that, we have a good network of partners we are collaborating with. So you can always get into contact with people in the industry if you're interested in an internship, for example.
I'm intrigued by the potential of blockchain because it's a very problem-solving skill that you get through the knowledge. And I think the initiative offers a very nice hands-on experience for that.
Since a few years, digital assets are a hot topic. Millions of people around the world are trading digital assets, but may not even know every detail behind it. So I wanted to deeply understand the technology behind it and the relevance in the global financial system.
I think the new Master in FinTech is really innovative as there is a larger interest in the industry itself, and I think it's really important to also be able to study that. And I think Frankfurt School is doing a great job at always adapting to new changes.